Hi, this is Sonia, and in this video I'm going to create the July cover page for my bullet journal. This month the cover page is going to be a doodle or pattern based and made mostly with black. I will probably add a little color to the text, to the name of the month later, but the main color is going to be black. I will use the 2 pages for that cover. I'm going to place the name of the month here in the center within a circle and then fill the rest of the pages with different patterns. I'm going to use a compass to draw the circle because I'm not good at all tracing circles freehand. And now I'm going to outline the name of the month here with a simple cursive. I'm adding this outer circle here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. As you can see, the font is a very simple cursive, and the only thing I'm going to do is to paint it with black. Maybe later I'm going to add some color, but for now just black. And now for the circle, I think I'm going to leave it like this. I'm not going to go with the double circle, just one is enough, I think. Now I'm going to start filling the background with patterns. I like to divide the area in smaller areas so they are easier to handle, and then just start doodling. I usually don't plan in advance what I'm going to draw. I just start with the pattern that comes to my mind and then keep going, filling each area with one or more patterns, the ones that the drawing itself suggests me. This type of doodling is very relaxing because you just doodle without thinking too much. There is no right or wrong way of doing it. It's just your doodle. It's your time. You just do whatever you feel like doing. I like to grab a cup of coffee or tea and relax. It's doodle time, and there is no rush, no pressure, just time for myself to unwind. And after a while you end up having something nice. Isn't that great? You have time for yourself to relax, and at the same time you are creating something nice. You are creating beauty. I really encourage you to give doodling a try if you haven't yet. Down below in the description there is a link to a video tutorial about doodling I did some weeks ago, in case you are interested. When creating this type of composition, I like to mix straight lines with curved lines and also with more organic shapes. And I also like to add some dark areas to give contrast and also give some kind of dramatic effect, which is always interesting. My camera went out of battery when drawing those upside down arcs here in the bottom. I apologize for that. So far I like what I'm getting, so I'm going to keep adding more patterns and just keep going and see what we get at the end. And this is the result. I'm pretty happy with it. It's been almost 2 hours since I started, but it's worth the time. The cover is nice, and those 2 hours were 2 hours of disconnection from the world and relaxing doodling. It's kind of meditative, which is great. I'm going to do one more thing here. I'm going to add some color to the text. Just a simple pink shade, which will break the monotony of the black and cheer the whole cover up a little. And this is it. Hope you like it, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.